When you start a business, the form of ownership that you have by default is sole proprietorship. There are disadvantages and advantages. One of the advantages is that it's very easy to do. It's automatic. You don't have to hire a lawyer, you don't have to fill out any forms, you just start doing business and you're a sole proprietor. When you file your taxes, all of your income and expenses appear on a Schedule C that's attached to your 1040 form, and so there's no additional corporate taxes for you to do, so you save expenses by not having to do a separate tax return, and you also save expenses by not having to pay for an entity to be created by an attorney. There are some disadvantages to being a sole proprietor, though. One is the lack of a legal shield. In other words, all of your personal assets are liable for the business's expenses and the creditors of the business. In other words, if your business fails, all of the people whom you owe money can go after your individual personal assets, home, cars, etc. Another disadvantage may be from a tax perspective. While it's relatively simple to complete the taxes for a Schedule C and a sole proprietor, the sole proprietor's income is all considered active income, and you have to pay the self-employment tax. So in addition to ordinary income tax, you get to pay an extra 15.3% self-employment tax. There are other forms of ownership with advantages and disadvantages, somewhat different from the sole proprietorship.